Hey you guys, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn this $125 tree container into this really cool St. Patrick's Day hat decoration. So let's get started. The materials you'll need for this DIY are black string or black paper, green paint, a paintbrush, a small or medium container, preferably one that you're not going to use. I got this one at $1.25 tree, clear glue or white glue, a yellow foam sheet or yellow paper, and some scissors. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your container and you're going to paint the outside of the container green with green acrylic paint. Here I have bright green and Christmas green. I'm going to mix these together because I think it's going to make a nice green color. Once you have painted your container, let it dry and paint another coat of green paint and let it dry. For the next part, you're going to grab the green hat and you're going to glue down the black string or black paper around this area here. Once you have glued the black string, it may look something like this. Unless you used black paper, that is fine. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to grab your yellow foam sheet or yellow paper and you're going to cut out a 1" by 1" square. Then you're going to cut out a square in the middle, like this. Just like that, and then you're going to glue this right on top of the black string or black paper, like that, in the middle, with some glue. Just like that, and you are finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how you can turn this $125 tree container into this really cool St. Patrick's Day hat decoration. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to leave a like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye y'all.